Yes, indeed. We have guests in here from EchoStone, and I'm sure you guys have been hearing about the fastest erection ever.
What?
Yeah, it's buildings, the constructions. Yes. I know how, I know what you're thinking, but it caught your attention, didn't it? And in the studio with us, we have Ms. Da in the studio with us. You are the
country manager.
Oh, good.
All right, welcome
Country
to the
manager
studio.
for EchoStone. First off, let's start by asking who EchoStone is, what you guys are doing in Nigeria, how long you guys have been in here, and what your vision is exactly.
EchoStone is a global company. We're in about 4 countries around the world. We work in Ecuador, Haiti, Panama, and here we're in Nigeria. We're pretty new, been in the country for about 2 years, and we're here to build affordable houses. Not just affordable, but the best kind of homes you would ever find. And we can build these homes in 14 days.
14 days.
Start to finish.
14 days?
Yes, start
Wow.
to finish, 14 days.
Wow, wow.
In Nigeria, currently, the housing deficit, currently stands at 17 million units. Now, you guys are in the private sector, yes?
Yes, we are.
So how is EchoStone contributing to solving this problem?
We're trying to first of all build about 2,000 houses in the first 2 years, and I think that is a very huge step for the Nigerian market. Taking our speed of construction and the quality of homes we're going to build, we're hoping to do at least 100,000 homes within the next 10 years. So that is going to contribute to solving the housing deficit in the country.
Spread across Nigeria or just
Spread across
specific
Nigeria.
areas of Nigeria?
Oh, we're starting with Lagos, but we want to
Okay.
go everywhere.
Okay. Where in Lagos have you guys started?
Well, we have 3 projects in Lagos, but we're starting off in Badagry.
Okay.
We're also building in Ayobo, Alimosho, and we're going to Ikorodu, where we'll build about 1,500 units in Imota.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is targeted at who exactly? Which people or what class of people?
The kind of homes we're building, we're looking at people who don't have homes, first-time home buyers,
Like me.
middle-level market. Yes, like you, if you say so. Middle-level income earners, middle-level, upper and lower. So because the homes are so affordable, 9 million naira, and we do have mortgage partners, so we're trying to make it easy for people to own these homes.
Okay.
So you say they're affordable, but then you say 9 million naira.
And my eyes drop out of my head. So,
How affordable is 9 million naira?
It depends on how you define affordable. There's a difference between social housing and affordable housing.
okay.
Affordability depends on what we're offering. We're offering you a very, very beautiful estate. We're building a community.
Okay.
So you have all the fittings. You can get fully finished homes. We're not one of those developers that will sell you a shell, and after a few years you wouldn't like the homes again. Our homes have been built the last 2 generations, so almost 100 years.
Okay.
And we build with concrete, so it's a very beautiful home. We build with formworks. It's straight, very sharp edges. I'm very proud to say that what we're doing is revolutionary, because a lot of people don't build like this in Nigeria.
When you say fully fitted, though, what exactly is the meaning of fully fitted?
Well, basically, you come into your house, you have a kitchen with cabinets, you have a wardrobe, you have you have tiles on the floor. We won't give you air conditioning though, because our homes are already
As a luxury, I guess.
Yeah, our homes are thermally insulated, so it's
Okay.
always 7 degrees cooler than the temperature, the outside temperature.
Okay. Great.
This global housing crisis I was talking about before, it's expected to worsen as much as 1.6 billion people not having households by 2025, a couple of years from now. So how positioned is the private sector of the housing industry in Nigeria to key into the opportunities that this may provide?
It's going to be a complete value chain, starting with the government, the financiers, and the developers. We can supply the homes to the market at the best quality, but the market, how affordable is it? How can they take these homes? For example, you say 9 million naira is a lot, but no one expects you to put your hand in your pocket and pay for a 9 million naira home. Everywhere else in the world, people get mortgages, and that's what we're trying to promote. So we're working with mortgage banks, we're working with the NMRC, the Nigerian Refinancing Corporation, to see that people can actually get this home and pay for as much as 15 years. You can spread it for 15 years, yes.
So do I have to have a relationship with a mortgage house first, or come to EchoStone first? Which is it?
You come to EchoStone and we'll take you to our partners.
Nice. You hear that, Lagos? Just go over to EchoStone. We'll give you the information on how to do that before the end of this little discussion here. So to what extent are government policies aiding private sector investments and interests into the housing sector in Nigeria?
Well, I can't say government policy is doing a lot, because a lot of materials that, there are no grants, there are no custom duty, rebates and things like that. But I must say that the Lagos State government is trying very hard to solve the housing problem in the state because they're able to provide land, permitting, and all the things that will give you a seamless way to build a house. You know, what people worry about is title. If I buy a house, you know, am I going to get title? Is it previously owned by somebody? Am I going to lose my money?
What they call them, Omo Onile.
Exactly.
So, trust me, I've been
been
through that. I'm tired.
so Lagos State government has been able to eliminate all of that. So they're helping, but the government needs to do a lot more. They need to support, they need to be able to give some kind of financing, single-digit financing. They need to provide the market with the off-takers, people who want to buy homes, with some kind of help. You know, in different parts of the world, in England, for example, a lot of social housing. We don't have that there, so the government needs to do a lot more to help the developers and the people.
I see this thing called Peridot Parkland. What is that? And is there a connection?
Oh yes, Peridot Parkland, that's what we call our estate. So
Okay.
yes, so we have Peridot Parklands Badagry, where we're building 250 homes, Peridot Parklands Ayobo, another 250, and of course Peridot Parklands Ikorodu, where we're building 1,500.
And what's the response like from people? Who is buying?
Well, to be totally honest, the right people we expect to come on the buying and try to buy these homes. For example, we're talking to a lot of cooperatives, people who walk in and around Badagry and close to that area. And we have been able to work with our mortgage bank to try and provide mortgages for some of these people. So yes, the right people we expect to buy the homes. But
Why-
you can also buy Mazino.
I'm interested, quite frankly. You know, I mean, ask anybody around here, they'll tell you Mazino's. I love property. Once the discussion of property comes up, I'm championing it. That's a fact. But my question is, why Badagry? Why was that the first phase of your entry into Nigeria?
Well, Badagry is a place where the Lagos State government has a lot of interest in. They're trying to develop Badagry. You can see what happened in Lekki Corridor. So once they finish building the roads, they're planning to do a deep sea port in a few years. They have some kind of hospitality things they're planning to do. So yes, we need to spread out. Everyone can't be like, you know, all together in the center. That's why there's so much traffic. We need to create new cities. So it's a plan.
For any regular person, what are the benefits that they stand to gain when they're thinking about Peridot Parklands? How much do they pay? With a mortgage scheme, are they paying any more or any less? Are the benefits to it? You know.
You don't have to put 9 million naira together to buy the house, first of all. I guess you can put down a 20% down payment with the private bank, and they can spread it depending on how you qualify, depending on your age, how much you earn, 10 years, 15 years, depends. So there are a lot of advantages to getting a mortgage, and the interest rates are coming down. In the past, people used to get mortgages at 23%. Now it's down to 17, and they're working on ways to bring it down to 12 by January and eventually 9% per annum by the end of next year. So there are a lot of things that you can benefit from getting a mortgage.
How do we get in contact? People who are interested in Ecostone and Peridot Parklands?
Well, they can call us, go on our website, www.ecostonehousingnigeria.com, and you can chat with us live, and we can give you all the information you need.
Well, thank you very much for coming in.
Yeah.
Well, that was a surprise. Wasn't expecting you guys, quite frankly.
And it was great information too. Thank you for the work that you're doing in the housing sector. You know, our future generations will be very happy for this.
Very grateful.
Thank you for having me. I just think everyone should just go online, look at our products, and buy our homes.
All right, buy yourself a home.
Sounds perfect. All right, and you guys out there, stay tuned. Smooth 98.1, The Smooth Drive. Mazino and I are still here. Don't go anywhere.